Hey there, how you people are doing today? This is easiest resin earrings tutorial number 4. I'm using 123 resin for this. UV resin are the best though. You can use any stickers of your liking. Check my channel for the floral one. Easy and simple. I wanted to thank all of you who have subscribed to my small channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Now after applying the stickers, we'll add the last layer. Let's pop some bubbles. You can spray some alcohol also to pop the bubbles, or a heat gun. Now if your name start with a K, let me know if you would wear this. Like and subscribe for more ideas.